Hello everyone, it's me, Russian Inventor, and this is a new video, Christmas edition. Wow! So yeah, let's go. Guys, I just got breaking news right now. YouTube just deleted all my comments under videos because I'm a kid. So yeah, because of new rules of YouTube, kids get their comments deleted. Yeah.
Sounds good.
No. So yeah guys, just because of that, you have to comment as fast as possible. We have to comment so they don't delete our comments. Big brain strategy. And like this video and subscribe, share with your friends, do everything possible so that YouTube doesn't delete our YouTube channel. I mean my YouTube.
Just continue, it doesn't matter at this point.
Our YouTube channel and destroy it completely. But last year I made a rewind of my videos for Christmas, but this year I'm not gonna do it because I just didn't post that much and there's nothing to rewind. So yeah, this year I'm gonna solder a circuit thing which I bought from like Amazon for $5. So yeah, let's go do it now. Okay guys, so I just got this package in the mail. It's a thing which should build a Christmas tree. So here is all what it has. Some circuits and stuff which we have to solder. Yeah, all of those. Then it has like bunch of LEDs and stuff, a cable, and a like thing which you have to put like batteries and stuff in it. So yeah, that's nice. Okay, so right now I'm arranging all the components into different groups, and I already built similar kits before. There's gonna be a link up in the I thing over there. So yeah, but yeah, let's build it. Okay, so I put everything just like this, like a puzzle, all the components. Now I just have to solder it like the back side and yeah, roll the montage. Okay guys, I just soldered all the components. This is how it looks like. And now I just have to cut all like these legs and stuff. Okay guys, so this is how the components soldered onto the board look like. Now we need to solder the LEDs all around the Christmas tree. Okay, so we're almost done and we just need to solder all those three boards together to get a Christmas tree. So let's do it.
Bruh.
Okay guys, so this is the final result, and it can work both from the batteries and from USB cable. This is included in the box. So let's test it out. I'm gonna put in the batteries. Here. This is how it works. And now let's test out the... I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, now let's test out the USB. Here's the plug for USB. And here it all works again. So yeah, this project is done. It looks pretty cool. I'm gonna show you the footage from the darkness. So yeah guys, this video is coming to an end, and hopefully you enjoyed this video and you're still watching. I don't know, is anyone still watching this video? And yeah, subscribe, comment and like, comment as fast as possible as you can, because YouTube is gonna delete my comments under this video. And yeah, see you next time. Bye!